we will be using implicit differentiation to find dy dx for this. So of course, let's go ahead and put down d dx, because this shows us that we are doing the derivative with respect to x. So first, the derivative of 2x squared will just use the power rule, and we'll just get 4x to the first power, and that's it. And then to differentiate x times y, well, we will have to use the product rule. Let's keep the first function, which is x, and we multiply by the derivative of the second, and that's going to be dy dx. Yeah, the derivative of y with respect to x. And then we add the second function, which is y, and we multiply by the derivative of the first. The derivative of x is just equal to 1. So that is what we have. And then we have minus 2y, minus y squared, we bring the 2 to the front, minus 1, so we get minus 2y for the derivative, and then use the chain rule, multiply by the derivative of y, and that will give us the dy dx. Alright, and this is going to be not equal to 2, because you have to differentiate 2, which is going to be 0. So that's what we have. And now, let's put this together and then factor out, yeah? And perhaps we can write down the y term first. So we will get this right here, which is negative 2y and then plus x. And then we have the dy dx. Let's put it at the end. And that's going to be equal to, we can put the y to the other side, so it becomes negative y, and then put the 4x to the other side, so we have negative 4x. Yeah, and then in the end, of course, we can just divide this on both sides, so we get dy dx being equal to this, which is negative y minus 4x over negative 2y plus x. And in my opinion, this is totally okay. However, sometimes you may see, well, this one in the end, this is number 6, so you don't have the answer in the back of the book. But in case you see like a different answer somewhere, then this might be the reason. We have negative y minus 4x. We can factor out a negative and make it y plus 4x. And then here and there, we can also factor out a negative, so we get negative parentheses, and that will give us 2y minus x. Right? Minus becomes a plus. And then we can reduce out the negative. So in the end, we can present the answer this way. I'm going to just write it down right here. Y plus 4x over 2y minus x. This right here, it is slightly better because you have less negative sign. Less negative is usually better. But that's it.